Namaskar, welcome to part 3 of this tutorial. If you have not learned part 1 and part 2, this part will not make sense. So check those videos first. I will link it in the description box below as well as it will flash on your screen to the left side. Now let's begin with the part 3. After this, there is a one music piece, but since that we just finished the footwork, we are not going to do footwork again. What we are going to use is this. And the right hand pataka to show the human beings. Okay, so all the human beings he takes care of or he makes them rise. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next line is Sureshwaram Nidhishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram. Okay, so what we are going to do for this, we are going to do ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta davu. Okay, so ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta. So we are going to use the hands this way. So we are going to use Amara Mandali to show the heaven. Ta tai tai ta. So for ta tai tai ta, at the last we are going to show that he is the head or he is the one who leads all the suras. Okay, so ta tai tai ta. So Sureshwaram Nidhishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram. Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram. Here you are going to use the three pataka hasta but with the open thumb, like that. So ta tai tai ta. You can use it this way also. So how it's going to look is Sureshwaram Nidhishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Tamashraye Paratparam Nirantaram. So for this we are going to show him as a son of Mahesha. Okay, Mahesha means Shiva. So we are going to show the Trishula on the left hand, your left hand. Okay, and with the right hand we are going to show the child. Okay, after this we are going to do Tamashraye. So I bow down in front of you. So you're going to cross your left foot and keep the Mrigashirsha on the shoulder. So Maheshwaram Tamashraye. You are going to sit down. Now from here we are going to go in front. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Parat Param. Okay, for this maybe we can use the Takadhimi footwork as well. If you are not learned the Takadhimi footwork, you can do this. But for those who have learned, you can use Takadhimi, Taka 4 times. So Takadhimi, Takadhimi, Takadhimi twice. Okay. So what we Nirantaram, for Nirantaram you have to use this. Okay. So Parat Param Nirantaram. Parat Param Nirantaram. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the same thing for the music as well. Okay. So the whole thing which we are going to do is Maheshwaram Tamashraye Parat Param Nirantaram Takadhimi. Now let's do this particular verse with the song. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. न तेतराति भीकरं न वोदितार्क भास्वरं न मत्सुरारि निर्जरं न तादिकापबुद्धरं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sureshwaram Nidhishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Tamashraye Paratparam Nirantaram 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice this with the music. The link is in the comment below and in the description below. So you can practice with the music, and if you have any query or question, write them in the comment box below. I will try to answer it. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.